Walgreens Pharmacy Honest Review. Watch before using. Walgreens is one of the largest pharmacy chain in the US, offering prescription medication, over-the-counter drugs, health products, and immunization services. It has thousands of locations nationwide and also provide online pharmacy services. And here are the key features about this platform: nationwide presence with thousands of retail locations, online prescription fulfilled, and home delivery option. And also they provide 24/7 pharmacies in selected location, and also offer immunization, health screening, and test services. And also they accept most insurance plan and discount program. And here are the pros and the cons about this platform. So I'm starting with the pros. So convenient location across the US, and also online and in-store prescription services. Also offered a 24/7 pharmacist available in some areas, immunization and health service afforded, and also accept most insurance plan and prescription discount card. And here's the downside about this platform: price can be higher than independent or online pharmacies, and also customer service varies by location, and also long wait time for prescriptions in busy stores. Home delivery may take several days. And here's the conclusion about this platform. So Walgreens is a convenient and reliable pharmacy, especially for those who prefer in-person service and need access to 24/7 location. However, price may be higher than online pharmacies, and wait times can be an issue at busy stores.